For Shiba Inu, this is a significant day. Treat was just released. People are having a party. But Shytoshi Kusama issues one last caution. Once again, Blackrock did it. Additionally, experts are sending mixed signals. What is going on, really? In what way will it make sense? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. For Shiba Inu enthusiasts worldwide, a very joyful day has come. Treat is officially launching today, and the community is giddy with anticipation. Treat is now officially live, according to the official Shiba Inu Twitter account, which broke the exciting news. It's true, it's taking place. Additionally, it is now available on their reliable exchange partners. But the developers also cautioned us to use caution. Scammers will undoubtedly try their hand at it because of all the buzz. Therefore, be wary of phony websites or tokens posing as Treat. They stated you'll be OK if you just use the legitimate channels. For what seems like an eternity, the Shiba Inu community has been anticipating this moment. The energy on the internet is amazing. Memes, celebrations, and enthusiasm abound on social media. Treat has undoubtedly given everyone a new lease on life and a sense of pride in belonging to the Shiba Inu community. You can sense the momentum growing as fans refer to it as a game changer. This will undoubtedly be a memorable day. The exciting part comes next. Shiba Inu's pricing today was impacted by the major announcement of Treat's introduction. It's fantastic that we witnessed a little increase of around 3%. Shiba Inu has been in a bit of a difficult circumstance lately, so this is really important. It was in a crucial zone, teetering on the brink of a possible decline, according to analysts. However, because of this upward movement, it has been able to stay out of a negative trend. Shiba Inu has recovered and remained resilient, raising its price beyond a crucial support level that had investors concerned. This kind of support is crucial, in their opinion. It's often seen as the boundary between good and terrible news. We may have seen a considerably greater slide if the price had fallen below it. Fortunately, however, the price has remained above it, indicating that there is still some demand in purchasing the token. Shiba Inu is now in a better situation, but it's still not quite out of the woods. Although there are still a few resistance levels to overcome, it's encouraging that it's remaining stable after some difficult days. Investors are given much-needed optimism that things would remain calm, at least for the time being, as a Shiba Inu had just escaped a bullet. Additionally, a significant increase of Shiba Inu burns added to the frenzy. Shiba Burn claims that the community transmitted a significant quantity of Shiba Inu to unspendable blockchain addresses throughout the course of the previous day. The number of tokens destroyed exceeded 21 million. The everyday burn rate increased by an astounding 2,221% as a result. By reducing the total supply, burning coins like this might eventually increase the value of the remaining Shiba Inu. It demonstrates that individuals are taking action and demonstrates a high level of community participation to aid in the expansion of the token. Given that the coin has been at a crossroads, this abrupt increase in burns is unquestionably a good thing. It seems as if the community is helping to stabilize the situation and raise the price a little. It demonstrates that Shiba Inu has a devoted following even in times of financial uncertainty. Even if Shiba Inu's price is undoubtedly moving in the right way due to these variables, you may still be questioning why. What's really influencing the recent price action? Let's take a moment to zoom out and see the wider picture. It turns out that Bitcoin has recently made some significant changes as well. According to analysts, Bitcoin is in a key position and has increased by almost 3% today. Bitcoin's price soared overnight after a strong comeback, contributing to the whole cryptocurrency market's resurgence to a value of over $3 trillion. Analysts anticipate that if Bitcoin keeps rising, it may soon surpass the $100,000 milestone. At the moment, it is challenging some significant resistance levels. As a result, Shiba Inu and the rest of the cryptocurrency ecosystem may feel more confident as Bitcoin displays indications of a bullish recovery. It's a fantastic moment to watch the market since Shiba Inu and Bitcoin are both exhibiting favorable trends. For Shiba Inu, there may be more positive things ahead, and here's a somewhat bizarre thing. With its Bitcoin ETF, Blackrock just made a significant step. With the introduction of the iShares Bitcoin ETF, which is presently trading on Cboe Canada, a significant stock exchange, they have formally extended it into Canada. They have already done this with other nations, and this is just crazy once again. This only demonstrates the current globalization of cryptocurrencies. In any case, this ETF makes it simpler for consumers to get into cryptocurrency without having to deal with the hassles of physically purchasing and keeping Bitcoin, by providing investors with a regulated means to get exposure to the cryptocurrency via conventional brokerage accounts. According to Rob Morocco of the CBOE, the goal of this action is to satisfy the increasing demand for regulated cryptocurrency investment choices. It's significant because of BlackRock's enormous impact on cryptocurrency influence and CBOE's worldwide presence. They want to propel the ETF much beyond Canada and establish it as a significant force on the international scene. As long as the conventional banking sector keeps embracing cryptocurrency with products like these, the industry as a whole gains credibility. This might increase trust in cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu and attract more investors. We could see more interest in coins like Shiba Inu as part of the larger crypto trend as a result of increased institutional attention to the space. For the whole market, this is undoubtedly an exciting moment. It all makes sense now. When Bitcoin moves, it usually pulls the market as a whole with it. Shiba Inu are included in it. Bitcoin is not only rising on its own as it shows indications of recovery, but it is also assisting in the ascent of other tokens, such as Shiba Inu. Looking back, however, the Shiba Inu community remains quite excited despite the market slowing down for a while. There is a lot of enthusiasm for what is ahead. The community has repeatedly shown that they are committed to the long term, and there is still a lot of vitality and hope even in slower times. Fans are obviously excited about what's coming up next, and the excitement around Treat and the Shiba Inu ecosystem as a whole is only growing. The debut of Treat is only the beginning, as one Twitter user so eloquently put it in a tweet. There is still so many more things to come for Shiba Inu. The excellent stuff hasn't even been revealed yet. This attitude, which has been reverberating around the community, perfectly encapsulates the current enthusiasm for Shiba Inu. Although the Treat launch was a significant turning point, it is evident that the community feels that this is just the beginning. Shiba Inu have a lot more in store, and many are excited to see what comes next. There is no denying the excitement around Shiba Inu, whether it be via new initiatives, advancements, or even greater surprises. The optimism is only being bolstered by the sense that we are just beginning, and it plays a significant role in maintaining the momentum even in the event of market slowdowns. It is evident from the community's excitement and confidence that they think Shiba Inu have the finest years ahead of them. We should be careful despite the optimism, however, since some experts believe that this price shift has also produced a new crucial pattern for Shiba Inu. Regretfully, the short-term outlook is not promising. Shiba Inu has already seen an almost 20% decline from its peak earlier this month, which is undoubtedly difficult for investors to accept. The death cross formation that just showed up on the chart is one of the main causes for worry. The price of Shiba Inu fell sharply after this pattern appeared, dropping more than 10% in a matter of days. Investors would not want to rush into the price movement at this time, which seems more like a downward decline. The coin might see another decline if it breaks a crucial price mark, which it is perilously near to doing. Two alternative scenarios are being proposed by analysts. First, if there is no obvious victor between the bulls and bears, the price may just remain unchanged. The second situation is a little more worrisome. The price may drop to oversold levels, which would resemble the bottom from the previous year, if it does. On the plus side, the death cross may not remain for very long, since it developed over a shorter period of time. Nevertheless, it is important to keep a watchful eye on the issue. In any case, there is still plenty to be enthusiastic about if we look far ahead and consider the future. Recently, Lucy, a well-known Shiba Inu community member, revealed on Twitter that there are a lot more surprises in store for Shiba Inu. Her remarks undoubtedly heighten the feeling of excitement that is building, particularly as the community continues to support the initiative. Although there may be some ups and downs in the near future, the long term is bright, and it appears like Shiba Inu has a lot more in store that might advance things. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.